Hi, I'm Kelsey. Thanks so much for joining us this week for Rodgers Tech Tips. Today, I want to talk to you a little bit about some of your Ignite TV and HomeConnect apps. So on our tablet, I'm going to be able to show you the HomeConnect app. That's going to walk you through a lot of your home automation, through your security, so for your Ignite internet, and then we're going to talk a little bit about the Ignite TV app and how you can utilize that at home and on the go. First off though, I did want to start off with our HomeConnect app. So the HomeConnect app is used for many things. The first thing you would ever use that for is actually setting up your new Ignite TV services. So that would be your internet and your television. On here though, we can see a lot of really great functions. So we've got our Ignite Gateway online. So that's if you ever have those actual hubs that can help extend your home network. You can validate right at the top that everything is up and running and functioning well. Then we have a couple of really great functions as well. So balancing your connected time. So you can set up different profiles for different members in your family. You can assign devices to them. A really great way is you have young kids at home. You want to assign a profile to them. Add maybe their phone, their tablet, their computer. You can actually set up schedules for when they're able to access Wi-Fi to help try to reduce some screen time. You can even go and just pause the Wi-Fi outside of a schedule. And the really great thing about that as well is you can actually monitor the time that they're online as well as putting restrictions on what they might access to make sure that we stay on like some family-friendly sites, for example. And then another really great function is we can get 24/7 help. So you have billing questions, connectivity issues. Right through here, we have you covered with a lot of quick answers and kind of FAQ section that you can validate through here as well. One of my favorites is the secured network. In March of 2023 alone, we had 19 million attempts on our actual network, but with our secured Ignite internet, we were actually able to stop those from impacting any of our customers. And those are just normal threats that you would potentially see on a daily basis on an unsecured network. So you have the confidence in knowing that you're protected when you're on your Ignite Wi-Fi. Some other really great things that I love is testing your Wi-Fi connection. A lot of us really want to make sure that our satisfaction guarantee is being met and that you have the network speeds that you and your family have chosen for your package. So right through here, you can actually go and do a Wi-Fi test. And so you can actually run that on your home network, make sure you're up and running. You don't even have to be in the home to do that. You can actually be out and about and run a test on the network at home. And it will test different devices that you have on there as well and just validate that you're online. I know one time I was traveling and this is actually how I realized there was a power outage at my house because I got an alert that my Wi-Fi was offline and then I ended up finding out that we actually had a power outage in the area. So it's really great for keeping you informed and aware of everything that's going on at home as well. Some other things as well. You have some guests coming over to the house. You might not know your password or you might not want to share it. Some really great options is obviously we looked recently at on your Ignite TV just asking for your Wi-Fi password, but right from the app you can actually share a QR code for guests in your home to be able to scan to join your network, which makes it nice and easy when trying to get others on the network. Maybe have a study group or just some friends coming over for a visit. Then tech-wise, we even have a way to restart your modem right through here. So you might notice a little bit of lag in your network, or maybe your internet was going in and out. Obviously, two things that we don't want to happen and we don't love. So right through the app, you have the ability, it takes about 10-12 minutes, but you have the ability to actually go and completely restart your gateway modem and get you back up and running on the network. As well, I know I chatted about it a little bit, but staying in the know, so setting up those push notifications. It can be when a new device jumps on your network or joins. It could be maybe you have some devices offline, maybe an unknown device that's currently on your network. You can get all of that through push notifications as well to make sure you're always in the know and your services are 100% as well. So I'm just going to show you a little bit more off of the main page. So through our actual connection, I can go in here and again, away from my main page, I can run that test on my Wi-Fi. I can validate all of the devices on my internet, everything that's connected and online at the time as well. I can view information on my actual Ignite equipment on here, and I can get my actual login information. You can even see how many devices you've ever had connected to your network, which might be nice to go and clear some of those off as well. You can fully remove access, which is great. And then going to the People tab, this is what I was talking about before, how you can set up profiles for different people. So all you would do is hit Add Person. I would enter a name. So let's put mine, let's put Kelsey. And I'll assign an icon to it. And then I'd hit Add Person. So from here, I'm able to then add devices that are already on the network that are assigned to this person as well. And again, this is where I can actually go and can control the usage a little bit. I can set up a schedule, or I don't have to, but I can actually assign different devices to that profile and validate usage, set up that schedule, pause network, whatever I might need to do. And then home. What this is going to do for us is we can actually add home automation devices. So there's a couple different brands that you'll be able to add. If you click the function, you'll actually be able to go in and see one of the top ones is the Philips Hue. Everybody loves those colored light bulbs. And so you can actually add that right into your HomeConnect app. And without having to use the Philips Hue app, you're able to control them as well as your other home devices right through here. So that's, for example, if you were using Philips Hue, that's turning on and off the lights for an example. But there's different things like Honeywell thermostats, Ecobee thermostats as well, just to name a few really great examples where you can have them all in one place. So thanks so much for joining us today. We got the opportunity to take a look at our first app. So stay tuned for future segments where we're going to talk about our Ignite TV app next. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next time.